Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in MongoDB on eToro step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. Then you'll get here. Next, tap on the search bar and start typing MongoDB. Select it. And now tap the trade button to start your purchase. First of all, decide how much money you would like to invest, and then you can also set some other settings. For example, you can set a stop loss price which tells eToro to automatically sell your position if its value drops to a certain level, but it's possible to set it after the purchase as well. Under the order type, you can pick market order to buy immediately at the current price, or limit if you would like to set a specific price. Finally, click on buy, and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investment by tapping on the pie chart. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decision. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.